I love the explanation that goes into some of the signs, helps with sign association. I'm also really liking the sign and understand recaps, helps with building more fluid signing for me. Arendi left this review based on the content in our first 1000 plus essential signs course. Now this course is absolutely huge. It's over 49 hours, actually also almost 50 hours in length, 1,787 lessons. That is not a typo. It has tons of content to literally blast your skills through the roof. All right. So we teach you each individual sign, hand shape, hand position, hand motion. We take our time, no rush, lots of practice. We learn a chunk of signs, and then we do testing. That's right. Review and testing always in two parts, signing and understanding. You need to be able to sign the signs, but you also need to be able to understand them when someone's signing to you. Okay, after testing, we do dialogues. That's right, complete dialogues. That means full statements, the question, the answer. So you're going to be doing it all using the signs you've already learned, putting them into practice. Okay, this is one of over 35 courses included in our ASL bundle. Our content, we focus on beginning and improving signers. So if you have some skills, great, you're gonna learn a lot. If you have no skills whatsoever, you're kind of hesitant, I've never done it before, I have no skills, great, come on in. We're gonna teach you step by step by step. And we're talking about a relaxed environment, fun, smile, good vibes, just jump in there, have some fun and sign. That's the purpose, right? Okay, go to avalingo.com, check out our stuff, explore, preview, take your time. Make sure that our format, our structure, how I sign, my teaching style matches with your learning style. Right, very, very important. Arendi, thank you for including us in your sign language journey.